If you encounter there are multiple issues with your domain error on Shopify, it usually indicates problems with your domain's connection or configuration. Follow these steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Verify domain connection. Go to Shopify Admin, Settings, Domains. Ensure domain is listed under Connected Domains and marked as connected. If not, click Connect Existing Domain and follow the steps. Check DNS settings. Ensure your domain's DNS records are correct. A record, point to Shopify's IP address. CNAME record, should point to shops.myshopify.com. If your domain is managed outside Shopify, update these records in your provider's dashboard. Remove duplicate domains. Ensure you have only one primary domain setting Shopify Admin, Domains. Remove any redundant or incorrectly connected domains. SSL certificate issues. Shopify provides a free SSL certificate. If it's not active, wait 48 hours for it to propagate. If the issue persists, click Retry SSL under the domain settings. Contact Shopify support. If problems continue after verifying these steps, reach out to Shopify support for further assistance.